Hey, I know it's not my normal upload day at all, but I wanted to throw this bonus video in here for you because I have some super exciting stuff to tell you about. I am going to be doing a mani using Revel colors. I'm using Lola and Zon, something. It's from their Sun and Mood mystery boxes. I'm going to set a picture over here somewhere for you of all the colors. I got all of them, the Sun and the Mood. And I am going to try Revel's Peel Off Base Coat. I was a little nervous because new product, you know, right? But it looks very, very similar to the UNT that I know and love. So I'm pretty optimistic about it. And I can tell you, this mani has lasted me so far as I'm doing this voiceover 4 days. And I have not tried to pop them off yet. I am optimistic. I am starting to see signs of lifting, which is good. That means I probably will not have to fight with them. No more peel-based problems. Also, you guys may be excited to know, and I am so honored, honestly. Revel is launching right now a brand new product. They decided they needed an e-file, which I was so super excited about when Revel emailed me and asked me if I wanted to try it, demo it. I was like, heck yeah, send it on over. So you're going to see me doing a little unboxing a little bit later of the new Revel E-file, which is launching right now. I will leave a link for it in the description box. Revel also hooked us up a little bit and they gave me a discount code for you guys. It is Marla10. You can use it site-wide at revelnail.com and it will be valid through the end of July. But we're going to start with this beautiful, simple mani using gel liquids. I'm using my Dipalicious gel base and top. I love these liquids because A, they apply just beautifully, but also they are HEMA free. So if you are having issues with gel, if you find that you're becoming allergic to certain gel products, it's likely that it's a HEMA allergy. HEMA can cause significant allergies. This is a great HEMA free option for you. I will leave them in the box for you guys. And I'm going to do a very, very basic gel dip video. I'm just going to do my pour over. I'm using this color Lola, which I have not used in such a long time, but if you can gauge from the almost emptiness that is my jar of Lola, it's been a very popular color in my house. I love it. It's the cutest spring color ever. My daughters both adore this color. I've used it so many times. And I'm going to use Zon. Please, someone tell me how to pronounce that. It's Z-O-N. I don't know what it means, but I know it's gorgeous. It is a sun changer. And it goes from, you're going to see it here in a little bit. It goes from a silver flaky to a lavender flaky, and I thought it would go just perfectly with Lola, so that's what we're going to get into. And I can't wait to tell you guys about the e-file. I don't want to spoil it. I'm just going to tell you about it later. I am doing two pour overs of each color, the Lola and the Zon. And then I'm going to encapsulate with my gel base and my gel top. This is my standard MO for gel liquids, always. I do cure the base, even with the dip over it. Base gets a 30-second cure. Top coat gets a 60-second cure. And then I'm going to get into playing with this new e-file. Wait till you see this thing. I wasn't sure how I felt about it at first. It looked so different from any e-file I've ever seen before. But you're going to watch the whole thing kind of shake out. And I will tell you, if you are new to dip powder and you've been thinking about getting an e-file, is my voice cracking? If you've been thinking about getting an e-file and you're unsure what to get or which ones are good, which ones are not good, this is going to be a very good recommendation, especially if you're new to e-files. It's very beginner friendly. Okay, so I'm going to proceed with my dip right now. No clear dip powder is being used today whatsoever. I tend to not use clear dip powder when I'm using gel liquids because clear can distort your color, leave your mani, especially if you're using glitter, looking a little cloudy or speckled. It can warp the color, sometimes leave like a white cast. So I'm not using any clear dip. Does that mean my nails are not as strong? Yes, that's exactly what it means. Clear dip powder is pure acrylic, so it tends to be the strongest of any acrylic compared to that of pigmented or glitter dip powders or acrylic powders. But I do have my gel extensions on underneath, so I still have that strength, if you will. You may want to consider doing an extra pour over if you're using gel liquids, just to reinforce the strength of your nail a little bit, since you're not using clear. Can you use clear? You can. You can, if you're going to use clear, use it underneath your colors instead of on top, and that'll give you extra strength and it won't warp your colors. So I'm going to finish up with Lola. I'm going to get into this gorgeous, absolutely stunning flaky, and I'll come back when we get into some e-filing. Okay, so all my dips are done. Everything's been cured. Now we're going to get into the e-file. Here it is. Isn't it so unique? I've never seen anything like it. It does come with all of these bits. It has an instructional manual inside, and it tells you very detailed what each bit is used for, which I super appreciate. I've had so many questions in the past. What do you use each bit for? What is this one used for? What is that used for? What do you use for this? This takes all the guesswork out of it, which I super appreciate. And my favorite part about this e-file is it's rechargeable. It's cordless. You do not have to leave it plugged in to use it. It comes charged, which I think is amazing. You can use it right out of the box. And I'm not sure how long the charge lasts, if I'm being honest, because I only used it the one time so far. But it does come with a little charging port. You just plug it into a USB, charge it up, and then you can unplug it and use it. It also came, aside from these bits, which are my favorite bits of all time ever, I use those diamond barrel bits every single time I contour my nails. It also came with this carbide removal bit, and you know what? Revel kind of nailed this. Revel nailed this because you literally don't need anything else. You don't need anything else. You have your removal, you have your contour, you have your prep, you have the arbor bands, which is super convenient. You need for nothing. This is your all-inclusive, beginner-friendly e-file. And here's your little description on what each of the bits do. I think this was genius. Revel, hats off to you. You kind of killed it with this e-file, and thank you so much for sending it over to me to try. I'm so grateful. So we're going to get into this thing. It does give you directions on how to use it. There are two buttons on the side. One is your power, and your power also controls the speed. There are 3 speeds, slow, medium, and high. And it also has another button that controls the direction in which the bit turns. So it does have forward and reverse, which is great because you have 2 hands, right? Usually you want to use it in forward when you're using your right hand, and you want to use it in reverse when you're using it with your left hand. So I'm using it with my right hand. It is in the forward speed. I'm on the highest setting right now, and I'm going to contour my cuticle area just like I always do. And as you're going to see, this did such a beautiful job of getting a nice crisp cuticle line and contouring down that cuticle area. You're going to see I did not use any other e-file on this mani. I'm going to show you 2 nails just to not be redundant, but I only used this e-file to contour my cuticle area and my sidewalls a little bit, and it did a beautiful job. I have no complaints. The last thing I want to touch on real quick with this e-file, because I'm sure you guys are questioning this right now, it is very comfortable in the hand. It's not awkward to hold it all, and it's super lightweight, which I also appreciate. If you do nails often like I do, this would be a great file to save your wrists, because sometimes some e-files can be super bulky, super heavy. This one is definitely not. I'm going to let you guys zone out and watch, as I know you love to do, and I will come back. We'll do a little top coat, and I'll give you all my final thoughts. So I went ahead, finished up my filing, got my top coat on. This is the finished look. I absolutely adore this mani. I adore the products. The colors are gorgeous. The e-file worked perfectly well. I'm going to go ahead and get my cuticle oil on, and I'm all ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for spending some time with me today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Love you, bye.